The best solar power setup for off-grid living in 2026. Imagine living in a home powered entirely by the sun. No utility bills, no dependence on the grid, and reliable energy every day. In this video, I'll show you the solar system that can power a modern off-grid home, how much it costs, and what appliances it can run. What is the ideal off-grid system? For a typical family home, a practical setup includes 6 times 550 watt solar panels, 48-volt, 100 ampere-hour lithium battery, 5 kilovolt ampere hybrid inverter. This combination provides enough power for daily household activities while remaining affordable and efficient. What can it run? A 5 kilovolt amperes off-grid system can comfortably power LED lighting throughout the house, television and entertainment systems, Wi-Fi and internet equipment, refrigerator and freezer laptop and phone charging, washing machine during sunny hours, water booster pump. How much does it cost? Typical equipment costs: solar panels, $480 to $600. Lithium battery, $550 to $800. Hybrid inverter, $300 to $600. Installation and accessories, $300 to $700. Total installed cost, $2,000 to $3,000. Common mistakes. Many people buy an inverter before calculating their needs, install too few solar panels, choose batteries that are too small, ignore future expansion. Always plan for your current needs and future growth. Why lithium batteries? Lithium batteries charge faster, last longer, require little maintenance, deliver more usable energy. A quality lithium battery can provide years of dependable service. Off-grid living doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. With the right solar system, you can enjoy modern appliances, reliable power, and energy independence. The key is choosing the right size system from the start. Tell me in the comments, what appliance would be the most important for your off-grid home?